Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to cast on with the classic method, which is also called long tail cast on. So this swatch was cast on with long tail method. This is this long tail, and this is the beginning of our knitting. It's like a marker. If you cast on with long tail method, so this tail will mark the beginning of your knitting, the beginning of your row. And look, it forms some kind of braid. I wouldn't say that this method is very stretchy, it's kind of tight, especially if you use wool that is not being processed at all, yes, and which is not very stretchy like this Aula sloppy. But actually I use it very often. And it doesn't match me for rare occasions. To make this cast on, we need to separate our thread on two parts. This will be short end, and this will be a long end that goes to the ball of yarn, to the skein. So, and there is a question, how long should be the short end? The short end should be 2.5 times longer than your future fabric should be. So if you want to make a piece that will be 10 centimeters long, you need to leave a tail for 25 centimeters. And let's start. So our short end is on the left, yeah, and then we take it like this. Our thumb, our index finger, and we need to fix it with all our other fingers like this. The first stitches, we go here down, here and there and here, and the first stitch will be 2 stitches. Let me show you once again. Yeah, holding it like this, down we like up the thread, then we go down near the thumb, then here and here, and now we have such construction. And now we go under the thumb, over here and here. And tight. Yeah, and we need to well, actually it's a matter of preferences. Originally it's supposed to be cast on 2 needles hold together, but some like it to be cast on only 1 needle. For my opinion, if you cast on with this method on 1 needle, it will be too tight. Yeah, so let's continue. Then we take out 1 needle It seems to be very loose, but it's not. It will be fine. You can stretch it like this a little. Yeah, here you see the braid. And then you just knit. And that's what you get in the result. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye. See you soon.